Have you ever wanted to make your own 3D style cartoon, but you've got like zero animation experience? Well, get ready because today we're going to break down how you can create a full, polished animation using nothing but free AI tools. Seriously, no 3D software, no skills needed beforehand. The technology is at a point now where AI can produce absolutely incredible, studio-quality cartoon animations. The potential is just massive, and the results can be pretty mind-blowing. But, and this is a big but, here's the catch. It's the one problem that just ruins most of the AI videos you see out there. You get one perfect scene, and then in the very next shot, your character's face, their clothes, maybe even their whole style, it just completely changes. It's so frustrating, right? It just breaks the story completely. Yeah, that's the classic problem of character inconsistency. But don't worry, there's a way to solve it. In this explainer, I'm going to show you a simple, repeatable workflow that keeps your characters looking perfectly consistent from start to finish. Okay, so let's get right into it. This is your 4-step AI blueprint. It's a really straightforward but incredibly powerful workflow that will take you from just a basic idea all the way to a finished animation, with characters that look the same in every single scene. We're going to be using 4 specific tools to make this happen. And the best part? They're all completely free. First, we'll build the entire plan in ChatGPT. Then, we'll create our visuals with a tool called Qwen. After that, we'll bring them to life with Grok. And finally, we'll put it all together and add a professional polish in CapCut. So let's start with the foundation. Steps 1 and 2 are all about building a consistent world. This is where we solve that character problem before it even gets a chance to start, by getting the story and the visuals locked in right from the get-go. Now, the secret weapon here is something I call a master prompt. Instead of just guessing and hoping for the best, you give one single, really detailed command to ChatGPT, and in return, it generates the entire animation package for you. I'm talking the full story, the script, detailed character designs, and, this is crucial, the exact text prompts you'll need for every single image and video clip. It takes all the guesswork out of it. Now, you take those prompts that ChatGPT just created and you move over to step 2 with Qwen. You literally just copy the character prompt, paste it into Qwen, and generate. The key here, the real magic, is that it creates both of your characters in the same image. Because they're generated together, their style, the lighting, their proportions, everything matches perfectly from the very beginning. Then you just repeat this simple copy-paste process for every scene in your story. And what's the result? Well, your characters look identical in every single shot. The lighting is cinematic, the world feels cohesive, and you've built the entire visual foundation for your animation without any complicated design work at all. All right, now for the really fun part. Step 3. We've got our beautiful static images, and in this section, we are going to breathe life into them. This is where the real animation magic happens, and trust me, it's so much simpler than you might think. For this step, our tool of choice is an AI video generator called Grok. Its whole job is to take the still scenes that we've already created and transform them into these dynamic, animated clips, adding that essential movement and life. And Grok has some huge advantages. First, it's 100% watermark-free, so your final video looks clean and professional. It also offers high-quality HD upscaling right inside the tool. But the killer feature has got to be its surprisingly accurate lip sync for dialogue. It just makes your characters' conversations feel so much more natural and believable. And the process here should feel pretty familiar by now. You upload your scene image, then you go back to your ChatGPT blueprint, you copy the image to video prompt for that scene, including the dialogue, and you just paste it directly into Grok. No complex keyframes, no messing with timelines, just another simple copy and paste. Okay, let's move on to the final step. Now that we have all our animated clips, it is time to assemble them into a single, polished story using the free video editor, CapCut. This is where it all comes together. And here are a few pro tips to make your animation feel truly professional. Keep your transitions short and snappy, maybe like 0.3 to 0.5 seconds, just to maintain a fast pace. Add simple sound effects like a whoosh to give them some impact. For music, you can use the massive, copyright-safe YouTube audio library for free. And finally, use auto captions with a subtle animation to really keep your viewers engaged. So the crucial point here is that this entire workflow isn't about getting a technical expert. As we've seen, AI animation has been made easy. It's really about having a simple, repeatable system that empowers you to bring your ideas to life. It's like a new creative superpower, and it's accessible to everyone. That's all it takes, just 4 free, powerful tools. And with them, you have everything you need to solve character consistency and go from just a simple concept in your head to a complete animated story that you can share with the world. So, the process is all laid out, the tools are free, and the only limit is really your imagination. So, the only question left is, what's